going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today's video is just going to be a short overview of the niche Gamma wheels that I got for the GLA45 AMG. This is a pretty good looking wheel for the price, and it seems like the brand's been getting a lot of popularity lately. So I thought it would be a good opportunity just to show off what the wheels look like, the process of ceramic coating them, and of course some beauty clips of what it looks like when they're on the car and it's back on the ground. So these are 19 by 8.5 plus 42. I went with a 245/40 tire. I did have to get a little bit of a spacer. The tires scratched the front of the caliper just ever so slightly. So I went with this really nice hub-centric 10mm spacer. I got one for each corner of the car. We're also coating these with C1 from G-Technique. We're also doing the brake calipers. Like I said, I scratched this side test fitting the wheels the other day, and in the last video we actually touched up this caliper. The clear coat had peeled entirely, and so we just sanded that down and resprayed some nice high temp clear on it, and it looks really, really good. And while the car is sitting, we're gonna do some leather rejuvenator on the seats. We used them on the 458 last week and totally transformed them. They were kind of hard and crusty, and I sat in it for almost 12 hours Saturday, and it's pretty comfortable. And they looked way, way better too. I just went with some Nitto Motivos for this season. It'll be winter before I know it, and so I figured just a real basic all season would be good on this. So overall, I'm pretty happy with these wheels on the car. The bronze makes the red pop just a little bit more, but it's not so bright to where it looks too gaudy on the car. I still wanted the car to stay a little classy. I didn't want it to be too tunery, and I'm pretty happy with the end result. The extra spacers help kind of get the wheels just a little bit more flush, and I'm very happy with the final result. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.